I will source this paper to the bottom of the page. Title of this talk is Blackbody Radiation of Stars as the Rate of Plasma Recombination. It says here, it is hypothesized that blackbody radiation of stars is a result of the rate of plasma recombination. In stellar metamorphosis, young stars are plasma, not gas. It is hypothesized that since a very large portion of the heat of stars is produced by plasma recombining into gas, that it is also the source of black-body radiation. All right, so to overview this simple construct, you have first ionization. Now, when a particle is ionized, say you have, now this is just representative, I'm not saying this is actually real or this is how it really works, it's just representative, keep that in mind. You have proton in the middle, electron, and you have an electron out here. What happens is this electron comes and knocks out this electron, which then becomes ionized, meaning the proton, it's too big, the proton stays in the center, and then the electron goes this way, and another electron goes this way. That's ionization. Recombination is simply the reverse. I'm going to go ahead and erase that. Recombination is this. You have an electron, okay, gets captured by a proton, okay, which then releases heat. This means light. That's what HV means. So light goes out, okay, because the electron gets captured by the proton, forming the stable atom. Okay? It's as simple as that. In other words, recombination releases heat, and ionization does the opposite. Ionization absorbs heat. Okay? When you have a star radiating, okay, say you have a star, the sun. If that mamma jamma radiates, the big ball of electrochemical reactions that it is, and it is ionized, okay, chances are the reason why it's radiating is because a lot of that ionized matter is recombining, releasing heat. In other words, we can measure how hot a star is by the rate at which it shines. I mean, the blackbody spectrum is a direct result of plasma recombination. This is bad news for the establishment. You know why? Because to establishment astronomy, stars do not engage in phase transitions. A star is a plasmatic object. There is no way it can become gaseous, okay? But remember in my earlier talk, that's one of the main steps in phase transitioning. Astronomers like to do this. They put a big wall right here. A wall of astronomical impossibility or impassability. It hasn't occurred to them that plasmatic stars, which have spectrums, will recombine, crossing this barrier into gaseous structure, which do not have black body spectrums. Because all the material that was plasmatic has already recombined. As well, all the energy from initial formation, from its birth, all that initial ionization energy, which the cloud absorbed when it was being born, has already recombined into its gaseous structure, becoming what's called the gas giant. What this means is that gas giants, they then will continue on whichever phases they go to, liquids, solids, and whatnot, as they continue evolving. And gas giants will not be in the main recombining mode as young hot stars are. The gas giants are a bit more evolved than the young hot stars. Okay? These are intermediate aged stars. But basically, that sums up that talk. Hopefully people can understand what all that means. I will make a few more talks. Hang in there.